Do you hate to be being told to turn off your cell phone, your iPad, your e-reader before takeoff on a plane? Well, new rules being unveiled for devices on planes, and Phil LeBeau is in Chicago with the details. Hey, Phil.
Hey, so we'll probably get these new rules, at least the proposal for these new rules, by the end of this month. The FAA has an advisory panel that has been looking at this issue for a number of months, and they're close to making some recommendations. And essentially, what they're doing is they're reviewing what the rules are in terms of use of electronics on planes, particularly takeoffs and landings. That's the area where there's the most of the problems, and they're basically going to call for a relaxation on the restrictions. So what will be allowed most likely and what will still be banned when you're on the airplane in terms of electronics? Most likely what's going to be allowed, listening to iPads, e-readers, watching downloaded videos and podcasts, that's probably going to be okay. In the future, however, if you're thinking about sending an email or a text or using Wi-Fi, taking off or landing, that's likely to still be banned. And now the FAA expects to maintain the ban on in-flight calls from cell phones. Remember, there's been some discussion for some time. Should airlines allow this? Well, the FAA is going to step in and say, you're not going to be able to do that. The airlines are concerned about devices interfering with plane instruments. The bottom line is this, Tyler and Sue. We're going to see a relaxation here, but you're still going to have some restrictions in terms of personal electronics, and mainly it comes down to whether or not there's a signal coming out of that device. That's what the airlines remain concerned about.
Right, but you know what? It's progress. At least we're going to be able to use a few things, Phil. But profit estimates for the industry are being lower. They're being cut. Why?
International Air Transport Association says it's likely going to see an 8% decrease in global airline profits this year. Two reasons, Sue. Some weakness in parts of Asia, not China, but other parts of Asia, and slower demand for freight traffic. And that's been a bugaboo for the aviation industry for several years.